Welcome, folks. Just before starting my YouTube journey, I suppose, the first night that I ran into trying to upload a video or editing a video using Adobe Premiere was the fact that in OBS I use the MKV format because that's what OBS says to use. So it preserves the recording even though if there's a crash or something happens, instead of saving it as an MP4 file. Um, I did a clip here in terms of installing something, System Center for Microsoft. And it was, of course, the MKV edition, MKV format. So when I try to import the file, and don't worry about this issue, but so if I try to import the file, first of all, I wasn't able to even see it, right? So I was like, okay, it doesn't support MPV or MKV edition or MKV format. So I'm going to check the system. I'm going to be a little cheesy and I'm going to see if simple fix as just renaming it will work. So the file works just fine, right? So it's working. It's doing all the install. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So I was like, you know what? This is what anybody would try probably. The first thing, right? So I don't know. I would. Not everybody probably would do this, but so I was like, you know what? It needs MP4. Like the file still works, right? So I'm gonna be good. So I was like, okay, well, let's try it. Let's try to trick the system. Let's be cheesy a bit. And now it can see the file. I'm gonna say open, and there's like, nope, sorry, this file is not supported format, so the compression type. I was like, okay, so how do I go about fixing this problem, right? So the easiest solution, well, actually, it's built into OBS itself, so you don't have to really download anything else if you're using OBS like I do and many other folks do, is use OBS for doing sessions, recordings, whatnot. So I think OBS is the best capture software out there, free of cost. So quickly change the format, convert the file to be able to be supported by Adobe Premium. Premiere is go to your OBS right now. I'm going to point to the file. Actually, I have already pointed to it, but you will not see the file. So this is what you will be greeted with. You will go to the location where the MKV file format is, the file. Click open, and you can choose to save it in a different location. I'm going to just choose it to be in the same location. So I'm going to hit Remux. It will take its time to finish the conversion, and hopefully once it's done, I haven't tried it yet, so this is my first time trying it. It has actually done the conversion. I'm going to go back to the folder, and there you have it. You have the MP4 file name or file extension. Hopefully now my Adobe Premiere is not going to complain about it not being a supported file format, so it sees it right away. Click open. It's taking a little bit longer, so the conversion did work. That's how you would go about importing, or if you do OBS recording, you have the .mkv format for the files. Try to use Adobe Premiere. It did import. It will complain. And this is the easiest and quickest fix. You don't have to download, install any third-party application, nothing like that. And in the way, I guess when you do, I hate downloading new applications because you don't know what's got malware, what's correct software, what is not a proper software. So this is a quick and easy way to convert your .mkv files to MP4 format using the tool that you already have, OBS. So I would give to OBS 5 out of 5 for the software tool. It's a life changer. So if you don't have OBS, this video is not supported or sponsored by anybody. So I'm just giving out a shout out for OBS. Uh, if you're getting into recording, if you like to do clips, sessions, videos, tutorials, whatever you want to do it, if you're using OBS, it has lots of features and lots of options. Please use OBS. There might be other tools, but for the past decade or so, I've been using OBS for everything. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like the video, please do subscribe. I'll be posting other how-to tutorials and my journey basically in the realm of IT and how to do different things from setting up servers, software, database stuff, building reports, Power BI, you name it. Hopefully, I'll be able to get all those uploaded and then created. Thanks a lot for watching.